Okay, this video for Kawasaki KDX220, checking the spokes tension. I've made already a video of it. You pretty much just get a wrench and check by hitting the spokes. You see that they ring. That means they're good. You know, sometimes there's some spokes that doesn't sound the same as the other one, like this one. So you can see this one, you know, may need a little bit of tightening, not much, but just a little bit to bring the ring back. You see, kind of comes back. So you just tighten up. You tie them counterclockwise, so this way, counterclockwise, and you see the rings back. They're good, and they're pretty much similar sound. So that means they're good. You see, this one is a little bit. So I'm probably gonna tighten this too a little bit, just to, you know, bring the ring back a little bit. Come on. And this one. And that's it. They're pretty good. So check the other videos. I showed the sequence how to tie them up, and this is kind of a quick check, you know, just to be sure there's no one loose before you take your ride or something like that. Thanks for watching.